Hello guys, you're working in Kdenlive and you want to make subtitles for your videos, but you're tired of typing all the subtitles. So what to do then? Well, luckily in the latest version of this program, 23.04, there's a function that allows you to convert voice to text by using AI. Well, if you want to get this working, then go to above in the menu where you see settings and then go to configuration. When you see this window, search in the menu for speech to text. There it is. You have the choice between two speech engines. You have Vosk and you have Whisper AI. I will choose Whisper AI. Whisper AI is more accurate. It uses an intensive AI program that converts voice to text. It's extremely precise at doing its job, and it's easier to set up than Vosk. So choose yourself a language set. The bigger it is, the more intensive it will be. You can go for very small or enormous or something between. I would go for middle. Now choose your own language, that's your own choice. I will go for the medium dataset. Your choice is dependent on how much RAM you have. If you have made your choice, configure it, click apply and then OK. Try it out for yourself, stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, give this video a like. I've said try it out yourself, but how to do it then? So you open up Kdenlive like usual and then you load up your project. In the middle of your Kdenlive window you will see a row with a few icons in it. And one of the last icons you will see there is a simple rectangular with a few stripes in it. That's the button for the subtitling tool. You go to this little icon where I have my cursor on and you click on it. This will enable the subtitle track, which allows you to put all the subtitles into a separate track. After this you want to go to the audio clip or track you want to get subtitles from. Click on it. Then you go to speech recognition at the left side on the subtitle track. You click on it. You select your language model. You select your language. And from then on you choose one of these three options. I will go for selected clip. Then you click on process. Let the program finish its job. And when you're done, you will see a few small boxes in the subtitles track with text in them. What if there's something wrong with the subtitles? Just go to the subtitles track and then click on the piece where you think there's a fault in the text. Click on it and then you will see a small screen at the right side of your window with a small text box in it. Open up the text box and then just edit it. I would want to know how to change the layout of the subtitles. How to do that? That's a good question. So you go here, under the text box and under the things like position and length. And then one of the last icons in the list, it's a small T with a drip next to it. Click on it and then you will see a few options for custom layout. Those are things like the font, the character size or the position of the subtitles. From the bottom to above, and there are a few other things you can do. You can switch back to the text box by just clicking on the icon you have last clicked on. So the T at the bottom. It's that simple. I hope you have learned something with this video. So if you have liked this video and helped you out, then give this video a like. If it didn't, you know what to do. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing to my channel, that will be really thankful. I'm going to see you in the next video and then bye.